Hi Erie High School students, my name is Beth Wheeler and I'm here to help you register for one of your English 121 courses. So if you're taking your English class with Alex Gallinal and she talked to you in class this week about needing to register for the course, you're that person who's getting this link, you need to register for the course. I'm going to take one step back and tell you that if you haven't yet enrolled or applied for admission to Front Range, you need to do that as well. If you've already done that and you have a NEST number, then this is the video for you. So you're going to go to eWolf. eWolf is the system we use to register for courses. You can add courses, drop courses, see your grades here, get access to your student email account. So go ahead and enter your S number. If this is your first time logging in, pay attention to the initial password information, and the system will ask you to enter a new one once you do that. If you have already reset that password but can't remember it, look here, there's a reset link. You can reset the password right now and get logged in. And then there's technical assistance numbers here, so don't hesitate to call if you're having trouble logging in, that 800 number you see. Alright, once you get logged into eWolf, under Student Tools, you're going to click on Add or Drop Classes. You're going to, we are in Fall 2018, going to click Submit which semester or which term. And here's the fun part. We're going to enter a 5-digit number called a CRN to locate Alex's class. Alex is teaching 3 sections of English at Erie High School this semester. So you need to pick the correct number based on the time that your class with Alex starts. So if you are in block 3-7 with Alex, you know, approximate start time 9 o'clock, 9:30, depending on which day it is, Tuesday or Thursday, you're going to use CRN 55294. So that's only for students who are in Alex's class in the morning, between, you know, 9-ish and 10:30-ish. You guys know the times change on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you are in block 4, guys, hold on a minute. So it's 3, 6, 4, 7. I don't remember block numbers, guys. I work at Front Range. If you're in Alex's class, it starts around 11:30-ish, depending on if it's Tuesday or Thursday. Your CRN number that you're going to enter into this little box here is 52531. And then if you are in Alex's English class at the end of the day, the last block of your high school day, you're going to use CRN 55225. So you enter the 5 digits here. You click Submit Changes. You must click Submit Changes, otherwise it won't be added to your schedule. And then I'm not going to do that because I'm logged in as a student right now, and if I do that, I'll add an English class. And guess what, guys? I don't need an English class. But if I entered the 5 digits here, I click Submit Changes, it's going to add it to my schedule. And what's going to happen is that's going to get you access to D2L, where Alex, I'm sure, has put some resources for you. So make sure you get registered for your class by the end of this week, by August 24th. If you have any questions, ask Alex. Feel free to call me. My number in campus is 303-678-3725. My email is beth.wheeler@frontrange.edu, so I can help you if you have any registration problems. Have a great semester. Take care.